$47 million was spent to replace stolen streetlights in the last fiscal year. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie made the announcement in Parliament today during the sectoral debates. The minister also highlighted 2 roads constantly targeted by thieves. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
723 streetlights stolen in the last financial year, costing taxpayers $47 million to replace them. One such area, the Chesterfield Main Road in St. Andrew.
32 lights, along with 3,300 meters of service wire, was stolen on 3 separate occasions, Madam Speaker. 3 separate occasions, at a cost of over $50,000 US, Madam Speaker. JPS is reporting that the lights along the Chesterfield Main Road has been stolen for the 4th time, Madam Speaker, at a cost of $16,000 US to replace them.
The Helsha Main Road in St. Catherine is also another target. 15 lights and 1,500 meters of wires were stolen, costing $7,800 US to replace. The local government minister is urging residents to tell the police what they know. Meanwhile, with the climate change, changing weather patterns and the hurricane season set to officially begin on June 1, flooding is a major concern.
We saw what happened in Montego Bay a couple of weeks ago. And our heart goes out. And it is important, Madam Speaker, that the country understands and recognizes when you see flooding, don't try to cross it.
68-year-old Beryl Walters was washed away last month during flood rains in the Westgate area of Montego Bay. The St. James Municipal Corporation recently called off its search for her body. To help address flooding-related issues,
a number of areas have been identified for the erection of early warning signs, Madam Speaker. Benson Fording in Kingston will have the sign installed. Port Maria in St. Mary, Member Guy, and Holly Bridge in Clarendon, Madam Speaker, will benefit from this, Madam Speaker.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.